I'm gonna be the king of pirates.
World's greatest source, nay.
I'll map the entire world.
Cool. So, Nami, before you started sailing, did you save anything?
Huh.
Why?
Because even if you find zero treasure on the entire Grand Line, compound interest on whatever you saved before you left would mean you don't come home broke. Smart move.
Explain. All of it.
Okay.
Every choice has a hidden price. You chose this crew, you gave up safety. You chose the Grand Line, you gave up easy voyages. That's opportunity cost. Every financial decision works the same way. That 50,000 berries you spent on something you didn't need, invested over 10 years, it becomes 115,000. Every purchase has a price tag nobody shows you.
Huh.
Every purchase has a hidden price.
So what do you do about it?
You think before every yes, because every yes is a no to something else. The King of Pirates' dream costs normal life. The treasure costs safety. The purchase costs what that money could have become.
I want that meat.
Luffy, that meat is for dinner.
Huh? Gomu Gomu no! Worth it.
You just burned lifespan for a piece of meat.
What's lifespan?
Huh?
The hidden price of every choice. On a long enough timeline, it adds up.
The meat was really good though.
It always feels worth it in the moment. That's the whole problem.